Hey everyone, we're Sean and Heather, and today we're making delicious recipes with our Instant Pot, perfect for any family meal.
Whether you use your Instant Pot every day or you're a complete beginner, we will show you step by step how to make these great recipes. First, we have barbecue beef and a sweet potato. It's a hearty and healthy dish that's super easy to make. Place the sweet potatoes on the trivet. Place a cup of water in the Instant Pot. Seal the Instant Pot and set it to pressure cook on high for 15 minutes. Once done, let the pressure release naturally for 10 minutes, then quick release any remaining pressure. While the sweet potatoes are cooking, let's prepare the barbecue beef. Heat a pan over medium-high heat and add a pound of ground beef. Cook until the beef is browned, and then add minced onion and your favorite barbecue sauce to taste. Cook for another 5 minutes until the onions are tender and the flavors are well combined. Mix each 4-ounce serving with a quarter cup of cheese. Once the sweet potatoes are done, carefully remove them from the Instant Pot. Split them open and spoon the barbecue beef and cheese mixture into the cooked sweet potatoes. And there you have it, a delicious and easy meal. Next up, we have a beef chili recipe, perfect for a cozy night in or anytime you want a quick chili. Prepare by chopping a red pepper before sautéing a pound of ground beef. While the beef cooks, break it up and continue to cook until it is browned. Add your chopped peppers and spices. 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of our secret ingredient, which is brown sugar, 1 can of kidney beans, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 can of tomato sauce, and a 4-ounce can of green chilies. Give it all a quick stir, then seal the Instant Pot and set it to pressure cook on high for 20 minutes. A lot of Instant Pots have a chili setting. Once the chili is done, let the pressure release naturally for 10 minutes, then quick release the remaining pressure. Serve with your favorite toppings like shredded cheese, sour cream, or even chopped green onions. A perfect comfort food recipe. Last but not least, we have hot dogs with hot dog chili. It's a fun and easy meal for the whole family. Start by adding about a cup of water to your Instant Pot. After that, you're going to add your hot dogs. It doesn't matter whether they're frozen, fresh, straight from your grocer, or straight from the refrigerator. This works for all of them. Seal your Instant Pot and bring it up to high pressure. That's all you have to do. They cook while the Instant Pot comes up to temperature and pressure. It's a quick and easy way to make hot dogs, especially if you have to make a whole lot of them. Of course, what's a hot dog without chili on top? Here we're going to make Instant Pot hot dog chili. And again, it starts with sautéing 1 pound of ground beef. The ground beef should be chopped until it is very, very fine, similar to what you see here on the screen. Add 1/2 cup of water or beef broth, 5 ounces of tomato sauce, 1/2 cup of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard for a little extra tang, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and finally 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. Stir everything together. Then seal the Instant Pot and set it to cook on high for 10 minutes. While the chili is cooking, you can cook your hot dogs however you like. Boil, grill, or microwave them, or cook them in the Instant Pot. Once the chili is done, let the pressure release naturally for 5 minutes. Then quick release the remaining pressure. Serve the hot dogs on buns, topped with the hot dog chili and your favorite toppings.
And there you have it, 3 easy and delicious meals made using the Instant Pot. Barbecue beef and a sweet potato, beef chili, and hot dogs with chili, perfect for any family meal. Before you go, check out our pineapple upside down biscuits. These fluffy biscuits are topped with sweet pineapple and are perfect for a tropical dessert or a special breakfast treat. Try these recipes and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more recipes as easy as 1, 2, 3.